Welcome to another science class video. Today we're talking about molecules and compounds. After watching this video, you should be able to explain a bit about molecules and compounds and how compounds act differently than the elements they are made from. Let's get started. Atoms like to join up with other atoms and form groups called molecules. A molecule is made of at least two atoms joined by a chemical bond. Like Legos, different atoms of elements build different molecules. Molecules can be made of atoms from one type of element, and molecules can be combinations of different atoms and elements. Take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds. The air you breathed in is made of different molecules, including oxygen molecules, which is O2. Oxygen molecules are formed with atoms from one element, oxygen. Now exhale. What you just breathed out is made of different molecules, including carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide molecules, which is also a poisonous gas emitted from cars, very dangerous to be around, is made of two different elements, carbon and oxygen. This is what plants breathe and is called a compound. A compound is a combination of two or more elements and has different properties than their individual atoms. Water is a compound because it's a bunch of individual H2O molecules grouped together. Hydrogen molecules, H2, and oxygen molecules, O2, have their own charged properties as elements, but this changes when the elements form the compound H2O. Water molecules are slightly negatively charged on one side and slightly positively charged on the other, which allows the compound to act differently than the elements do on their own. The element sodium, Na, is a silvery gray metal which explodes when it touches water. Don't try this at home. Chlorine is a useful cleaning agent, but when you combine atoms of these elements together, you get the compound NaCl, which is also called sodium chloride. Table salt. Salt, unlike the two elements on their own, is tasty and thankfully not explosive or a cleaning product. Compounds can also be classified by their types of chemical bonds, which are ionic bonds such as NaCl or covalent bonds such as water, or by whether the compound is a pure substance like pure water or a mixture like ocean water. More on mixtures and pure substances in a future video. Today we learned molecules are groups of more than one atom joined by a chemical bond, and compounds are a combination of two or more different elements to make something which has different properties than the elements on their own. Thanks for watching. See you next time.